natin. Pwede kung malaki magpulit tayo sa rin. Nakawad na ako paguli ng pagpinam.
Oo.
Ay!
Wala! Kola ko na Jesus na. Okay, kiss ko na.
Hindi ko payagan.
Unang bunot. Wala! Kumasis na ni mo.
Kanina!
Tapos na talaga yung nga rin. Bahiglado talaga yun.
Uy, puta ka po yun. 60. Nakunod dahil. 60.
Biyag. Hamati!
Uy, pero slopes kay black.
Wala sa is.
Ano sa rin na?
AI.
Taro trainer na ka
Plus 5,
AI.
11 plus 3, 14. 1.4. Ah! 1.4. Sige daw. Taro trading. Paya ka dito, ti. Di ko pa rin na-answer what is the impact of inequality on savings.
So, pareho man lang, growth, ideas, communication, your stage where something is developing plans.
Oh.
Ano sa energy, child, conflict, stress, competition, this shows tension or misunderstanding. You may feel pulled in different directions or there's pressure from people or circumstances. It's not failure, just friction.
Eh, may effect yan.
Tapos, balance, support, improvement. This is a good sign. It suggests things will stabilize, especially in practical manners, money, work, favors, or emotional give and take. Help make I overall planning struggle, balance.
Ano ba ganyan?
Overall ko ang planning struggle, balance.
Balance. Oh. Counting balance. Planning. Ang plano mo.
Nagpa-plan struggle, tapos na balance.
Plano mo struggle?
Oh!
Tao mo. Ano ba yun?
Buyog, ang
Sige,
galing.
sige. Direto dyan.
Stay positive.
Kanina kang kanina.
Ano ba, nakayag ba? Ay, galing pa ka.
Okay. Lise, bunot.
Ako na. Hala ko, Lord.
Paano wala na dyan magpapalo trading?
Ayun.
Ilang araw ka bulitan, Lord.
Taro trainer dyan sa harang bulit.
Takpan mo naman.
Gawa-gawa ka eh.
Bawal na yan eh. Kapalag ka.
Sige daw.
Sige na, unang bunot. Lise.
Lucky na yun.
Black.
69.
Black talaga eh. 69.
Shit. Good sign.
Ano?
19.
Ay, makatilaw ka na.
69. Good sign.
Good sign.
69 na score.
69 for some.
Ano to? Paano to?
Nagdo ba? Ito yung mga sugat dyan dito. So, sa liwat ko, babalik ka. Babalik mo. Pa-square na. Pa-square. Nasa ka dito na. Siri.
God.
Na dito.
Mahilig kayo itong mga exciting na story to. Ano kayo makuhaan?
Kung kasi kaya ba experience?
Dali na. Overall, di na.
Overall tayo, no?
Year completion, mental pressure, persistence. You've been carrying a lot of responsibilities, expectation, or emotional weight. Oh my God, you're close in finishing a cycle. Wala It hasn't been
Ang
easy.
low, ha?
This card says, don't give up now. Even if you feel tired or overwhelmed.
Don't give up now. Later.
Recognition, success, validation, we are acknowledgement as add-in for stability, foundation, peace, outcome, stability, and relief.
Struggle. Ay, adi na.
May usapan ko. Added 9 naman, near completion, mental pressure, persistence.
Ako daw 69. Okay talaga. Grabe ka.
Ito ka sa pagli?
Ayun, puro akong tanig kadali. Magamay.
Uy, naura na ng dispenser.
Ano yung ipapayungan?
Yun ang parang.
Ipapayungan ito.
Nakabutang lang.
Nakapayong din yan. Ang kakapdanin mo, Lola.
Mabait. Kaya.
What does inequality lead in terms of resource allocation?
Madam.
Madam Sherry.
Madam Sherilyn?
Sige,
Pala kami
una.
Oy, queen!
Queen. On top. Uy,
hard.
9 nga hard.
Hala,
Uy,
queen na
Ay,
nakagoy.
Sige daw.
Hala, GL!
Tinuod.
That's my tomboy.
Nagisang tangente. What is the effect of extreme inequality on social unity?
Yan pa nakuha. Ako pa review. Oh, adi na. Queen.
Queen, ano nga queen?
Queen of Diamonds. So, practical, independent, and strong. It represents you or someone closely influencing
You.
your life.
Nayakan, this represents you or someone
Closely.
closely influencing your life.
You have learned to value yourself more and won't settle for less anymore. Wow na! Won't settle less anymore. Yari ka. And wish fulfillment. Hala ka. Emotional satisfaction and desire finally coming true.
Desire die.
Yeah.
Desire. Hala, makakatilaw ka na.
Grabe mo ito may interpretation. Ano interpretation ng AI? Gina-interpret mo liwat.
Kiniliwalis kasi niya.
Something you've been hoping or praying for emotionally is close to manifesting. So, adding Queen of Hearts, kung this is your real love
Deep love.
or real emotional connection, not something shallow.
Oh
my God!
Ang lalim pala.
Oh my God, I'm so...
Balon.
So final message is AI.
Oh, may final.
You know your worth. Your emotional wish is aligning a mature, loving connection is present or
Hudi, anay.
Yes, yes.
Dawa na masas malin ko dito. Para mida.
Ay, oo. Sige.
Oo, hindi ko naman.
Missy, didi ka akong likod. Okay. Para kami yung
Nurungin yung magaw sa abong.
Okay, it's valid.
Sige, bunot.
I wanna pick this one.
Ayaw, pagkita.
Okay.
Okay.
First bunot.
First card ni Benedict.
Unang bubo.
Uy!
Hala, 7 diamonds.
Puro diamond.
Mahilig ka
Good
dahil.
sign, good sign.
Mahilig ko. Uy, City lang pinuhod na ikaw. It shows.
Palit cards ko ma-manifest.
Mess na mess. Oo, upgrade tayo. Hakuan na lang. Ano na lang. Gemini.
website?
Wala nito, French kiss.
Ito the French kiss.
French kiss.
Nasaktuhan.
Ay, dun.
Puro diamond.
Miss na miss mo na kasi.
Nakahalata siya.
Miss na miss.
Hello, bisan balihon boy.
Diamond talaga.
Top side ka kasi. Sige na, note. Oh! Ito man.
Diamond talaga.
Hindi talaga boy.
Hindi talaga, tika. Ikaw ito nagpili. Parang dito. Ay, sorry, bye. Maya ka nala. Ano dun? Ito lang plus. Gila, kay pag-camera na dito para malak sila.
Napagod.
Huloy ko mo nagaan. Sila ko mag-quiz. Tarot reading for today. Mali mo na kasi nakuha. May adlaw-adlaw here. For example, yung adlaw ngayon. Hello. Ay.
Hello.
Hindi lang yung signal ko yun.
Nag-stop. Hala. Ah, ito na. This is a cartomancy. Oy, cartomancy.
Ano ka to?
Ambo. Reading using the 3 playing cards you've drawn. Nayakan, the suit of diamonds.
Hindi na,
Sige. Nayakan na di. Position. Ano?
Diri talaga. Diri talaga.
Position. Dere, ade. 7 cards ko, no? 7 of diamonds.
Ano man?
And position ko niya kay situation. Core team ko no kay evaluation and reassessment.
Dili gini-explain.
Ano man? Situation and 7 of diamonds. Suggest you are currently in a period of deep evaluation regarding your resources, your time, career, path. You may be at a crossroads. Shit. Di ka mo. Questioning the value or return on a particular investment.
Ayuan na.
Ay, pa man ako invest.
Whether it's financial, emotional, or time-based. Your focus today is on stepping back to assess the harvest. Uy, harvest ka na? Of your efforts. So, are you getting out of a situation what you've put into it? Be mindful of overthinking. Oh my God.
Umulo ba sa haba?
The answer lies in honestly evaluating what is truly worth your investment. Ikadua, action or advice. And 6 of diamonds. This card is a direct call to address the balance of giving and receiving.
Hala.
So, ilibre kami.
Diri, iba talaga meaning. Iba talaga.
Advises you to be acutely aware of the flow of your resources. The action you should take, set boundaries. Examine if there are people or situations in your life that are taking too much of your time.
Hala.
Energy or money.
Hala.
Sometimes
Ano na
called
energy ni Davon?
leeches. Oy,
Ula ko.
Today is the day to establish clear, firm boundaries to protect your well-being. Ikadua, practice generosity. On a
Wow.
positive note, this card is also about conscious generosity. If you have abundance, share it.
waray.
Ang mura ko, libre na.
Kay waray. If you have.
Oh, if you have lagi.
Waray eh.
If you need help, be open.
Open. Tama na.
Ay, hindi
Do
na.
it
Bumukha
gratefully.
ka.
Your power today lies in balancing what you give and what you keep. Last, outcome, 2 of diamonds. The appearance of the two of diamonds as the outcome is positive sign of successful juggling.
Anong juggling?
Juggling. Add flexibility. By taking advice action, you will achieve a practical and harmonious balance in your material life.
Oh, kaya nga, ilibre na kami.
Oh, your day potential, you will successfully manage competing priorities, perhaps through a helpful partnership. Yan nga lagi ito. Pag partner ka mo ni ano, oh, mo lang ito.
Oh, yun na ses.
That was rather boring.
Dili mo boring.
Sako na yun, lalaban duro. Yun na ses.
Oo, kaya no, sin nga, dida, shorten.
Short.
Kasi bagay ka ano hiya.
Ang nagawa si Rose.
Alate.
Short. Rosemary.
Ay.
What does total poverty gap? Ano nga ninin? Differences between ano?
Assess, mamili ka ng iyong card.
Oh, diba?
Why?
Relative poverty sa concern kay Kuan, it affects the whole economy of society. Diba? How does inequality limit success
Dali
to
na,
credit?
dadan.
Kuan, many
Ready
people have
yourself.
too much collateral loans.
Hindi, ito dyan.
Oh, yung lack collateral for loans. Yan.
Okay, first card.
Uy,
Uy, first time may spade.
Uy, king. Hala.
Paring king. Uy!
Masukot iya.
Sakot yung tree.
Oh, isipin shorten naman.
Tarot reading for today. For
Ala,
today. Shorten, please. Please. Okay, para magyakan niya, babe.
Sure.
Nayakan. It's, asya na. Two separate 3 cards. Okay. Nayakan niya di. Asya na, nayakan niya di. Ano mo, di ba tulog ka cards? 8 of spades, king of clubs, na 3 of diamonds. Nayakan niya di. Situation, 8 of spades. You may be feeling blocked, restrained, or mentally stuck. This is a challenge that requires you to consciously break free from self-imposed limits or a difficult situation.
Ayaw na lagi
Kadua,
kami pa nag-review.
action or advice. King of clubs, seek out or embody wise, powerful, and practical advice. An influential leader,
Wag nang mag-review.
an influential leader, a strong mentor, or your own inner authority figure needs to be consulted or stepped into. This is about taking decisive moral action. Last, outcome ko no, ang 3 of diamonds. Successful growth and expansion in your material life like work, finances, or positions. The obstacles you face today, guided by wisdom, will lead to positive developments and an increase in resources.
Hello, masyado ba ito seryoso eh?
Dili man funny. Wala nga the funny nga ko.
Daw, like,
Funny.
baka nag-humanize ka ano.
Face your feelings of being stuck by seeking or acting upon wise counsel.
Sila, funny.
Research doon bagan funny nga ko.
Funny.
Funny tarot.
Sige. Oh,
Huy! Waray pa man.
Ay, yaman ah.
Itrohan ito.
ay, sige, Adi, an 8 of spades ko, no? You feel like you're tied to your desk with a giant cobweb. Oh, hala ka.
Ano?
Nauuwabot na di.
Nagkurin na ba?
Nakakatawa.
Totoo ka hindi ka maintindihan.
Nakakadi, you've successfully trapped yourself in an overthinking loop and now your brain is on error 404. Freedom not found. Daw yung ano. Kasi ka duwa. King of clubs. Ang ito yung man iyo. Kaya ka na kadi, itong funny, panbobo, gano'n. Kaya kan, get yourself a king size club.
Bed? Can you say what?
Oo, king size club.
Club?
You need to channel your inner CEO. Wow, CEO. All those triple espresso. Oh, di rin nakakatulog. Summary, stop overthinking and find your inner boss. If you act like you know what you're doing, the universe will reward you with snack money. Amo to G. Huli nga ni kinapildi ka.
Bye.
Ato ikaw.
Ikaw na.
Ano kaya na ito? Kailangan kasi high inequality. Bis ka naman na rin ito. High inequality is concentrated in some people. Don't own enough valuable stuff. Okay. To pledge as collateral. Oo, sa bagay. Kung ako, tidik mapili.
Alay.
Ano na una?
Tisugad.
Sige, first card.
First card.
Uy!
5 hearts.
Masugot.
Uy, may usang nga diamond.
Uy!
Heart.
Pili ko marang ko na itong usang nga diamond. Pili ko marang ko na itong usang nga diamond.
Ito yung Rosé?
Yung Rosé talaga ito. Yung Black Pink Rosé.
Diyan, itong dyan.
Gago talaga.
Yung Black Pink Rosé talaga itong aman nga diamond. Diyan, tambo na ako na.
Nayakan ko nung adi. Ano? Nawaliwat.
Ha?
Ano, simple na lang sa ka-sentence. Magkot na gani. Nayakan nga dito eh. Ano mo 5 of hearts? Someone is being super dramatic about an emotional situation.
Huh?
Someone kuno or maybe you is being super dramatic about an emotional situation. It's like a soap opera.
Ano ito?
Betrayal, hala.
Lalo.
Betrayal. Tears and overthinking everything. Time for a time out. Nayakan. Sunod. Ace of Diamonds. Stop focusing on the feelings and focus on the shiny new opportunity. This opportunity. The universe just dropped a tangible, fantastic new chance, probably involving money or great job. Right on your lap. Oh, yeah, adan na. Ignore the drama. Grab the cash. Wow. Nayakan nga di 3 of Hearts. After you ditch the drama for the diamonds, you'll end up having a fantastic, warm.
Ano ito, te? Word and gesture. Pugni na ang gesture, ma. Ano ba yan?
Party! Celebrate your new success na dramatic path with friends. Like in sentence, stop crying about feelings. Grab the money opportunity instead. And then go have fun with your bodies.
Uy!
Oh, sunod.
Cheche na.
Dito ka, boy.
O paya ha? Ito na. Paya.
Paano
No, ano
man?
na
Hindi
ini?
man ini na abri.
Trinity?
Te, paano man? Hindi man abri.
Pindi.
Baliktad.
Oh, sugad. Tas, sugad. Paigbaw.
Ay, dira ko yung maaram. Paano ba ito?
Diba, narong lagat. Mas na yun ako.
Yeah, you choose your card.
With, when wealth piles up at the top, money turns into political megaphone.
Wow.
Ano daw? Uy, alas dos. Nawali pa kita mag-review. Logo daw.
Biyan ka ang pag-review, biyan.
Nagre-review ka naman.
Plus, this na ba yan?
First card din, di ba?
Ala, tres.
Kaya nag-blast yun.
Dos.
321.
King, hala, may maabot nga lalaki yung kinabuhi. Uy!
Di mo sure ba yun yung king?
Yawa!
Hoy! Uy, kinikinom ka.
Uy, Rose, maritistik ka. Nakalasan ako mo. Gago.
Mali talagang sign kayo natin. Mali talagang reading thing.
Istakling ka bati ko, waraya ka mo.
Sige na.
Galaxy niya gumiwas sumalo. Uy!
Tingnan dentist Lord. Tingnan dentist Lord. Tingnan dentist. Ay, Naya. Awadi ka yan. Yan. King of Hearts. O
Wala
yan.
may pag-focus na
Uy, baliktad na unahan.
Uy, ay sige. Una, ang tanya din 3 of spades. Nayakan ka din.
spades.
If you don't need the advice, you might end up with a small emotional scratch. A minor disagreement or a fleeting feeling of being left out. Shit. Okay, recently.
Uhi na ya.
Kaya ka nga din. It's just a 3, not a 10. Tapos gani pa, you'll get over by lunchtime. Uy, iha pa. Aga pa. Iha pa, sunod. 2 of hearts. Stop overthinking the love stuff. And just pair up. Uy. It's advised to make peace, compromise, and find a nice, comfortable balance. It's the just get along, guys. Card. Oh, just get along, guys. Quality kasi. Wala. Tapos nayakan nga din pinakalas, 3 kings, king of hearts. You're dealing with someone who is super charming and emotionally mature.
Uy!
A big.
Uy! Ato na!
Softy.
Uy!
Big
Dako
tapos
nga ni
to.
soft pa.
Paano ba ko na?
Diba ito? Hindi pa naman ito ito. Di ba naman ito ito? Di ka ba't madalagan?
Tawang-tawa!
Dalagan. Really? Or you need to act like this person. Think ko no. Head, oh my God. Dalagan. Head of the feelings department. But he still has a crown. Ano yun?
Hari!
Oh, Hari.
Hari siya, girl!
Naya ka niya be the charming grown up. Find a nice compromise or you'll have a mild temporary case of the sad face.
Love, sad face.
Confused ka man. Share mo lang. Sunod.
Muray na.
Rosa pa.
Balik. O sige.
Akong daw, i-grading daw ako, ti.
Balik down ako ano. Wala na, wala na hiyo. Ano ako natanggal.
Oo, yan.
Oh, yun na tanggal.
Ayan na, tanggal.
Natanggal.
Ano tanggal, ti?
Ano hard?
Ito lang.
Kuya natanggal.
Okay. Nay, what is the link between inequality and social unrest?
Sis, kaya pa sis? Kapi.
Kasi pa nagano akong kape.
Grabe yung kabagtahaan. Nagkukape dyan.
Another na naman. Another.
Iba naman, kay mali mo, ibang.
Ay, para piyugalan mga proms. Ano?
Joker, amo na kay Joker.
6. Uy, 6. 69!
Amo na talaga, boss.
Charot.
Good sign, good sign.
Good sign.
Nice results, nice results.
Uy, wait, block. Once you go black,
Once you go black,
you could never
you never
go
go
back.
back. Ano to? Tarot reading.
Reading.
For today.
Feeling ko, mas funny kung Tagalog ang result.
Ay, oo.
Tagalog din. Para mas
Funny and short in Tagalog.
Naging funny lugo na niya tarot reading.
mas maintindihan ta kasi. Mas matatagaan tan meaning.
Meaning yung
Aba.
tinuyawan.
Dapat hindi pa nababasa.
9 of Hearts. Overloaded ka sa feelings. Parang may siyam na K-drama na tumakbo sa utak mo ng sabay-sabay. Sobrang love o sobrang sinte. Ang buta. Ano ito nga sinte dahil. 6 of clubs. Ayusin ang trabaho at mga task mo. Sorry. Huwag puro feelings. Para kang isang bossing. Na kailangan mag-meeting pero gusto mo lang mag-emote. Uy, practicality muna. Joker ko, no? Anong mangyayari? O, ano? Bahala na si Batman. Pwede itong maging super gulo o super amazing. Handang-handa ang araw mo na maging totally unexpected and wild.
Wow, wild.
Itigil ang sobrang pag-emote. Gawin ang trabaho at maghanda sa isang araw na walang kadire-direksyong pero masaya. Makay daw.
Waray direction, boss. Dito, boss. Ano ito nga sign? Waray direction pero masaya.
Masaya.
Feeling mo good ito nga sign or ano?
Ano pa?
Hindi ka ano.
Gago ka ba? Hindi po. Isa po akong helpful AI.
Gago.
Yung na, Chi. Pasugad naman. Pasugad.
Sige.
Naliwat.
Lumaraw ito na ito.
Ikakat ko na ini.
Ang cut na ito.